JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning on Gainesville, Georgia. It's about 2:15 on Tuesday. We are on the lake. As you can see, it's a very interesting floor plan. There are the stairs down to the bottom level. There's 3 areas down there, and there is 1 area up the stairs here. Overall, carpet's in pretty good shape. There's a couple spots downstairs. I don't know if I want to call it the basement, but I guess it would be lower level maybe, because you come in the main front door and you come on this level here, which is basically the kitchen. I guess the dining room and the living room here. I guess they could throw a dining room in here. And then down this very tight spiral staircase. And they obviously had a bed there. There's a, I think this one was okay. There was a spot in the other room. See if I can find a light switch. Yeah, the main spot is right there, and a spot right there. So, like I said, this is a very, very steep staircase. So we'll get this job knocked out and shoot a quick after. Okay, oops, 3:20. Just finished up this job. So not much to see down here. The 2 spots in here came right out as expected. I'm not going to go up to the 3rd floor to the other bedroom. Because it looks pretty much the same. And I have another appointment to get to. As you can see, it is 3:18. So like I said, JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, 404-500-9853. On the web at omgfloorcare.com. We do put people in the carpet cleaning business. Our operations and training manual and marketing manual are all available for $500, which is a great deal. Teaches you everything you need to know about carpet cleaning, floor cleaning, etc., etc. If you're a vet, we have a special deal for vets, so let us know. Again, omgfloorcare.com, 404-500-9853. Like I said, this is a $160 job. It only took about 45 minutes. I waited outside to give the carpet a little bit of time to dry just because there's no ceiling fans. So, as I said, be kind. Take care.